Hello, my friends, and welcome back, you guys. I have this Christmas kit that is so gorgeous and so massive and so all of the things that I cannot tell you how excited I am. So this is from Tiara Kits. It is stunning. It is the Cheerful kit. I have got the main kit, the pattern paper kit, the cardstock add-on, embellishment add-on. Oh, but wait. And the mixed media kit, meaning I've got the things. Okay, so let's start. I went ahead and just printed 4 different Christmas photos. Let me grab them because I figured any of these things are gonna work and it's gonna be fun. This one, actually the color is about right. I know it seems darker, but she was by the glow of the fireplace, so that's applicable. And then we've got this, which is kind of funny. All right, and then we've got kitty cats, and then we've got these two. So any of them will work. It's going to be fun. Now, the first thing I want to do, and I don't really know why, but it must be done, is I want to cut out a bunch of these white poinsettias. There's something about them that make me way too happy. So I'm going to start by doing that. I may... Ooh, that would be so pretty against it. All right, I'm going to grab this. This is from the cardstock kit. It's a simple vintage Holly Jolly in the color called Holly. So I'm going to use that for my background. I already like where this is going. And the next thought I had is we have these Simple Stories floral bits, and there's so many of them with this gorgeous pink in it. And I want to put them in with the big boys over there, with the big poinsettias. Phew. Let's see. And then, I think I will use our gorgeous little bit here. It reads Holiday Cheer. We have an exclusive acrylic that we get to play with. Guys, I'm so excited to use all of the things. We also have this confetti mix. So many things. There will be many things that happen. But I need to get my fussy cut on. It's going to take me a little time. Guys, I want to cut all of that out. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I need to do some of those things. It's going to be great. And I'll meet you right back here. All right, guys, I had a thought before I got all my fussy cut on and all of that kind of thing. All right, so I took off the branding strip from this gorgeous piece of red happiness. What I thought I would do, we have these Vicky Bouton stencils. They are from the Wrapped in Ribbons line. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And I thought I would grab some molding paste. Now, this is absolutely dried out, like chalk paste at this point. Oops. I thought I would grab some molding paste, right? And since it's nice and dried out, this might even work better. I'm going to grab the Distress Spritz and Fossilized Amber, give it a nice little shake. Guys, I'm a little paranoid about getting it all over my white mat, so I'm going to go ahead and spritz it off camera, kind of by my trash can. Hold on. And I'm going to get some of that color in there. It doesn't have to be like massively saturated. I just wanted to get it kind of started. You know what I'm going to do too? I'm going to go ahead and give my modeling paste a spritz because it is gasping. I think I need to concentrate on using it up. I do. Okay. So what I want to do now is I want to give this a nice little mix. I want some lump and bump, but I also want a little bit of gold in here because I think that would be pretty. And out of the colors for our mixed media kit, I think the gold is the color that will show the best on this. Okay, I effectively have made tan. I need to bring a little bit more gold in. Hold on. Okay, and the cool thing is, you know how I said my my molding paste is dried out? That totally resuscitated it. So hello, win. Now, I know I want to have my poinsettias kind of come down kind of in a bit of an organic kind of a diagonal. So what we'll do is just put way too much of this on there because the poinsettias are huge, right? Let me show you. They're really big. So I just want some of this sticking out. There's zero perfection that will be had, but I'm going to just have it kind of in a wide swatch coming down. I think that'll be fun. Swatch, something. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to line it up and imperfectly just plop it, because one does like to work imperfectly, because anytime you try to work perfectly, y'all, things will go sideways. So I might end up needing to make more. We'll see how it goes. All right, now it's moving. It was having a hard time getting the vibe going. Okay, guys, it's gonna look like massive overkill. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Let's all just work with me. So I'm gonna do this. Whoopsie, pick it up. Cute. So it's actually reading as a really light glow. Now I'm going to bring that all the way down and let it dry while I fussy cut. All right, y'all. So this is mostly dry-ish, mostly dry, but look at that nice little shine we have going. So what I'm going to do now, oh, and I did go ahead and fussy cut all of these pieces up, and I just want to spend a little time getting the, I don't know, deciding how I want them placed. Because, you know, they're beautiful. All right, so that one's really nice. So we can put that in the middle. It just has one little tiny edge that I had to cut off. So maybe I can do, I don't know. Let's see what else we have. This one's mostly whole except for this edge. That's kind of the way this goes, that, yeah, there's certain things that just needed to be nipped. Ooh, this one's a pretty one. I could go kind of like that. Not kind of, I could go like that. And then this can get tucked right under there so we don't see that missing little piece. This can get popped up here. What can we do down here? Would we do this? Or should I just go ahead and mimic what I did up top? Which is probably where I'll go with it. And have it, I have this one. Maybe just this one? That might do it. I think that's super pretty. All right, I'm gonna pop this up on a little bit of foam. That's gonna be gorgeous. If I need to add any of these other pieces in, then I can. Alrighty, Roo. So I've got my poinsettias down. My holiday cheer is not tacked down. I decided to go ahead and mat this photo. So I've got a piece of the white texture cardstock that is part of the cardstock kit. And then I grabbed this piece because it's amazeballs. It is this piece here. There's our little code. And it's got this half circle here. And I made sure to look because with Vicki Boutin papers, you've got to be able to use every single piece, right? So I did not harm this piece to grab out this one right here for my matting. Yes, this is like well-planned utilization. And I do want to bring this in. See how it has a little bits of pink on it? Because I want to bring in some of these florals with the pinky bits. And that's going to start integrating it all together. So let me go ahead and pop this up. I grab a little piece of cheapo foam. It's a little Frankenstein, but that's okay, because we'll use these pieces in just a moment. And then I'm going to go ahead and attach this down. Then I will feel comfortable with getting my, oh my gosh, where's my T-square ruler, guys? It's here. It's buried. Then I'll feel comfortable. I'm going to go like that for now. Then I'll feel comfortable with putting all of the rest of the little bits and pieces down. All right, here it is. It was hiding, you know, exactly where it belongs. So this piece here, let me make sure it's just kind of straight. It doesn't have to be perfect. Nothing has to be perfect. So I'm going to do that. We're going to get this holiday cheer down. And yes, I do have the eye, but I have it over here so I don't lose track of it. Then, like I said, I wanted to bring in some of these pieces. I love that pop of pink in it. I think it's just like the elevation of it is stunning. So let's see, let's get one right around the photo. Perfect. And then this one has a little pink as well. So I'm just going to tuck a few in. They don't all have to be pink. I just wanted some of that look. Actually, if I have one there, and somewhere right down here, that's going to give me a nice little visual triangle of the pinkiness that I would like. Actually, that's about perfect. All right, I'm going to tack them down, get my title fully down. that is excellent. Actually, I don't know. Okay, I'm going to get my title fully tacked down. Then we're going to come back. I think I'm going to put their names with these Chamel puffies. And then we just have a few little bits and pieces to finish it up. And this one will be complete. All right, so I've got those pieces tacked down. I love it. I put the title, not the title, like the secondary title, their names right here. And I like that it's rather subtle and neutral. So that's fun. Now I have these gorgeous little pieces, handy dandy, of course, because I just love them. We have that. Now I do want to see about using some of these stars along the way, because I think they're going to add a nice little bit of holiday sparkle. Yes, please. So we've got the 3. Oh, we can use more, friends. And let's do 5. Perfect. Just fun little additions because we have them. Why not? All right, so I have that. See, it's kind of busy, so I'm trying to have a little tiny bit of restraint, especially for me. Okay, so then what I'd like to do, what would I like to do? I'm like, do I want to put centers in these poinsettias? Yes, that's happening. Okay, well, apparently we are going big or go home with the centers of my giant poinsettias. I don't think I'll be able to put them in all of them because, you know, some are kind of going off the page, but you guys, stop it. That's fun. You know how I was just talking about how I was going more subtle? Yeah. So I have that. There's one here that won't get it here and here. I'm wondering, like, can I just go ahead and sneak that one on right up to the edge? Same for down here. Let's go ahead and just have, oh, wait. Let's see, let's do a blue here, just to the edge. And then right here, I think we might have to ignore that one. Oh, there's one right here too. So let's do a smaller one, maybe with, oh, we have this deep green color. Look at that. And I can do that. You can see a little bit of the goodies there. All right, guys, I'm just going to pop a few little confetti pieces coming down the way. Then this will be done just like that, because we have got this gorgeous mixed media going. We have got fussy cut pieces, acrylic. We have adhesive dots, puffy letters. Y'all, come on. Like, it's happiness and joy. I'm going to put a few confetti pieces on, but I might as well just go ahead and tell you. I'm going to have links down below where you can get your hands on these pretty kits. I have a feeling this one's going to sell out like meow, so jump on them. Also, come to the Facebook group. There is a sketch challenge that I still need to do as well. And guys, I want to see what you're up to with all of these pretties, so make sure to show off. All right, guys, a few style shots to follow, and I'll see you ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.